Welcome to Zach's Baking Channel. You're going to want to need 2 sticks of butter that are room temperature, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg and 1 yolk, also a tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're also going to need a teaspoon baking soda, a teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon kosher salt, and a teaspoon of cinnamon, and also 2 3/4 cup of flour. Now you're going to want to set your oven to 325 degrees, and it will cook for about 11 minutes. So we're going to put our butter in, we already have that in, our sugars, and then we're going to mix that up, and then we are going to add the egg yolks and vanilla, and last we will have our flour and our cinnamon tartar and baking soda. Right here is a cinnamon sugar mixture to roll the cookies in. Now we are going to add the egg yolks and vanilla. Make sure that gets nice in there and turn it on to stir until well combined. Now it's well combined, so we're going to add our cream of tartar, cinnamon, baking soda mixture, and salt. And then we're going to put our flour. And then we're going to turn it on. Low speed to start, or else it may go everywhere. The Snickerdoodle dough is done mixing. Now we need to take a ball of it, round it up, and roll it in our Snickerdoodle mixture. And then once they're all on the tray, we'll put them in the oven at 325 for 11 minutes. We are done balling up the Snickerdoodle cookies and coating them in the Snickerdoodle sugar mixture. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 325 for 11 minutes. The Snickerdoodles just came out of the oven and they looked amazing. Now they need to cool, I would suggest, for 10 to 15 minutes before you eat one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Also hit that like button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more videos. See you next time.